Ayan, kamusta naman kayo mga ka-beauties and mga ka-nuts? Ganito nangyayari actually what happened last night. Basang-basa mga gamit ko, kaya ayan, I have no choice but to crawl. Ayan, super duper, but it was exciting. So kaya mamaya abangan nyo yung challenge that I was about to take. Ay naku, maliligo na ako, dyan na kayo. Good morning mga ka-nerds. So, kagigising ko lang. And unfortunately, kagabi medyo lumakas yung ulan. So, basa ang tent where we were supposed to sleep last night. Pero nakatulog naman kami ng siguro mga about 2 to 3 hours. So, at my back, there. Ayan, si Miss Queen. So, I'm gonna take some footages of her doing the paddle boarding. So, on this side. Always stay here. Ayan mga ka-beauties and ka-nerdies, so finally dumating na yung boat. So ngayon naghahakot na kami ng mga gamit na dadalhin namin. Ayan, so andun na yung boat. Andun na rin yung mga ibang gamit namin na gagamitin sa talk show. So ako, dala ko na yung iba. Excited, and I'll try to medyo mataas siya. So ingat-ingat lang tayo, baka malaglag. Maybe nagtataka kayo kung bakit ako nakamask kasi mamaya magiging guest namin si Pinoy Geek Adventurer, so we are actually collaborating with him, and that's why magpapaddle ako, no? So I will take the challenge to paddle boarding around the island. Medyo nag-chicken out na ako kasi baka mamaya I don't know, and since andyan si Pinoy Geek Adventurer, so alright, that's part of the show. Okay, so medyo mahirap pala, ganito pala talaga kahirap ang ginagawa ng Pinoy Geek Adventurer, no? Kasi yung vision mo is not actually 100%. Ayan. Okay. So, let's see. Ayan. Alin ba mas maganda mga ka-beauties? Ang may mask o ang wala? We'll keep you updated. Ayan mga ka-beauty, so I'm actually at the middle of the ocean. So far naman I was able to take the challenge. dun lang sa at the other side, no, medyo masyado siyang maalon, wavy, so I have no choice but to sit down while paddling. So ayan, at the back yung aking lifeguard in case na mahulog ako, because I really don't know how to swim. I can swim sa swimming pool but not here at the middle of the open water. Ayan mga ka-beauties, iniwan na po ako. So bahala na akong mag-survive mag-isa. And medyo malayo-layo pa yon. So iniwan na ako ng boat. So ako na lang ang nandito sa kalagitnaan ng ocean. So this is Matigak Island. Ang ganda naman, diba? And I guess nakapasa naman ako sa challenge. So that's the rock formation. Maganda siguro kung ito ay maaakyat natin, no? Rock climbing. So safe naman yung bababaan mo kasi water, especially for those who knows how to swim. So I guess this should be okay. Ako na lang ang natitira dito sa kalagitnaan ng ocean. Bumalik na yung bangka doon. So hintayin na lang nila ako kung anong araw ako makakarating. As you can see, ako lang mag-isa dito. Yan, sa kalagitnaan. Tingnan natin kung makakaya ko na mag-paddle. Yan. Lahat ng extra activities or extraordinary activities done by ordinary people or yung mga guests namin. So, yung challenge is I really have to do those kind of stuff as well. And ako talaga, I know how to swim, but I'm not confident enough, especially sa open water like this, diba? So lucky na lang meron paddleboard, so somehow I feel safe here. So whatever happen, I would just hold on the leash, no? May leash naman siya, so safe naman. At saka wag ka lang naman talaga magpapanik. Sa ganda ng beauty, diba? Ayan, diba ba? Ako mag-adjust. Take lang ng picture. Ayan. So, siguro, I'll try to paddle again using one hand para makalisalis ako dito kasi baka mamaya nag-aantay na sila doon. And I also wanna do snorkeling para makita ko naman yung ilalim ng dagat. Pero ang hirap pala mag-paddle ng isang ano lang. Otherwise, hindi ako makakalis dito pag hindi ako nag-paddle. Ayan, tignan nyo naman yung kaitsuran ko. At malayo-layo pa yung pupuntahan natin, yung may white sand na yun. Ayan, iniwan na talaga ako ng boat. Ayan. Pero ito yung challenge eh. Ayan. So, this is where the Survivor was held. And every year yata meron silang season dito. Ayan, nakikita ko na yung buntot ng ano, buntot ng boat. Ayun. Diba? Medyo malayo-layo pa. So, siguro balikan ko kayo in a while. Kasi medyo challenging yung mag-vlog ng nagpapaddle. Masakit na yung aking right hand. Yan. Ganito kaya, no? Yeah. Try natin. Yan. Okay. So, balik na tayo doon. Medyo dahan-dahan lang tayo. Kasi umiikot yung ano, yung ano, dapat hindi siya mahulog. Pag nahulog siya, patay ako. Bahala na kayo kung anong makita nyo dyan. So, I was able to take the challenge. Nandito na tayo sa shore. Medyo nakakapagod yun, no? So far, ang hindi ko pa na-try is rock climbing, yan. So, as I promised, I'm gonna take the challenge to do the rock climbing with mask on and with Pinoy Geek Adventurer. Ayan. Grabe, ang hirap naman i-take ang challenge mo. Woo! Ayan, so ito yung aming tatahakin. So, we're actually going down now. So, ayan. So, papunta doon sa small lagoon. Over there. And if you can see, ang ganda ng rock formation dito. Hopefully,
Maakyat natin yung kabilang tuktok, but I don't know if it's possible. So for the meantime, ito muna itong ating route. Yan, pababa dyan.
So let me get the camera now.
So I'm gonna give the gimbal to Pinoy Geek Adventurers because he will be the one to film the scenario. Hopefully ma-overcome yung challenge na to. So wish me luck. Gabi na. Okay, so let's see. It's actually challenging. Now I can understand how Pinoy Geek Adventurer is doing all of these extraordinary activities with his mask on. Ako nga kakalahati pa. Hinihingal na. So bababa tayo dito. Ayan, teka. Siguro mas maganda ko itong isang outfit sa akin. Kasi itong isang medyo malalim. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Itong maganda kasi marami kang pwedeng piliin kung anong gusto mo. Nasa tingin mo ay challenging and kaya naman, testable. So, medyo malalim yung isa. So, ito try ko. Naiksi ang aking paa. So, ayan, ang explain lang, pag nahulog ka, edi direktong tusak sa bato. Medyo crack yung mga bato actually. Nakakahinga pa naman ako. So far. Yung mahirap kapag medyo maliit ka. Hanggang doon. Okay, sige. Let's roll it on! This one actually, ito lang dito. There you go. Matibay naman yung mga bato. The only disadvantage is I'm not wearing any rubber shoes. So this one is for swimming. See? But I didn't know that they have a good rock formation here that we can actually climb on. So I wasn't prepared for this activity, and that's the challenge, right? Kung naka-rubber shoe sana ako, I can jump here actually, but I cannot do that now kasi manipis yung suit ko, parang socks lang to eh. So I have to be very, very, very careful kung saan kayo mas magandang dumaan. So lang pa ako na nakakababa ako. Pero yun ang there you go. Whew.
It's the Enchanted Lagoon. Over
Enchanted
there.
Lagoon.
Down
Where merong milkfish.
Yeah, almost. Right there.
At the middle of the, in
The
between,
lagoon.
at the middle of the... Mas maganda dito. Aray ko. Ouch! That hurts. Oops! I have to slide my body down. Mas madali ang pataas kasi kitang-kita mo. Pag pababa kasi, yung tingin mo, hindi mo siya. Wow! This is quite amazing. There you go. Let's see on the top. I passed the survivor! I am a survivor. Ayan, hi there. So finally we're here on the top of the rock mountain. Ayan, so another challenge is how are we gonna get down there. Hopefully makaya ko pa. I'm quite exhausted, but this is really a very exciting and unforgettable Pinoy Geek Adventurer. Ginagawa niya itong mga extraordinary activities wearing mask, superhero mask. So yun yung isang nakaka-aware, diba? And nakaka-amaze. I'm with Pinoy Geek Adventurer. So, fini-feature ko yung mga activities niya here. And we just came from the setting ng Survivor France season. So, andito na actually yung mga survivors. And unfortunately, we are not allowed to take some footages kasi nga, of course, this is only exclusive for the participants. But anyway, so let me tour you around dun sa, siguro ito yung ginagamit ng mga crew para mag-take ng some footages ng challenges that is set for the survivors. Okay, kaya mo lang si Pinoy Geek Adventurer na sumusunod sa akin. So, actually, I was also asking him some advices and tips kasi diba he found me doing the challenge. Dito dumadaan yung mga yung mga crew and then yung mga participants. Medyo ano siya, muddy yung baba niya. So dito sa side ko, sa right side, andyan yung mga cave. So ayan, sa right side ko, ayan yung mga rock formation. And then sa left side ko, andito yung mangrove. Doon merong isang stage. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to take some footages kasi nga anytime pwedeng dumating na yung mga ano. Tapos yung island where they're doing the task, hindi rin kami pinayagan na mag-take ng footage. Pabalik na kami. This morning we had a morning paddle boarding session and he actually quite strict. May maganda kasi siyang scene na gustong kuhanan and hindi ko mapuntahan. So ayun, lumabas yung pagiging stricto niya. And well, I'm just a human being, so I walk out at the middle of the session. Paddle lang ako, sige pabalik doon sa mainland and bahala na siya. Andito kami pabalik na and ayan sa right side ko. By the way, meron tayong photo bomber, so Pinoy Geek Adventurer ay andyan pa din sa likod. So he's walking. Ayan, so ito yung mga rock formation. So medyo dito mas okay kasi marami na siyang mga ano green, medyo mataas yan actually. And on the other side and on the other side ayan ang mangrove. Anyway, and ito naman no, maganda sana tong kuhanan or gawing rock climbing, medyo mataas yan. Ayun pa sa tuktok, ayan. Parang magandang akyatin to kasi marami kang pwedeng hawakan and it's also challenging. Tapos ayan no, pwede ka magpahinga dyan sa loob. Kung makikita nyo merong kawayan, parang ano to, kung makikita nyo parang may cave doon. I don't know kung may malaki pang butas na pwedeng pumasok yung tao. Ayan, so nung nagtitake din ako ng some shots ni Pinoy Geek Adventurer. So dito ako nakatayo. Ayan, exactly here. Ayan, so that's already the end of the passage. So, yan na yung pinaka-final destination. Pero definitely, ito, dinadaanan lang to ng mga crew. And so, unauthorized person not allowed kasi parang nga lang siguro to sa mga crew ng Survivor. Yan. So, that's the end of the passage. Ayan, inuugasan na ni Pinoy Geek Adventurer yung kanyang ano. And we are about to prepare for our next destination, and I'll still hopefully Pinoy Geek Adventurer will still collaborate with us. And lucky yesterday we were able to feature Pinoy Geek Adventurer. So bye guys, and until then,